Hi guys, my name's Ollie. Welcome to another video. And today we're going to a water park and I'm so nervous. This is my first time going to a water park and I just decided that I'm on vacation right now and this is how I want to end my junior year. I just feel like I really deserve like a little reward for myself. I am super nervous because I have never gone to a water park before, and I'm even more nervous because I'm vlogging in public, so I'm so nervous about that, and I just hope that everything goes well. But it is currently 5 in the morning right now. It is 5 a.m. and I got up at like 4. To be honest, I was like doom scrolling the entire time, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready right now. Once I get ready, I'm gonna film like a get ready with me video. It's gonna be on my TikTok, and yeah, I'm just like so nervous and I'm so excited for this entire day. But it's like the water park that we're going to is so far away. That's why I'm getting up so early. But yeah, come with me for a day at the water park. Hi guys, I'm back. This is the outfit of the day. This is from Frankie's Bikinis with Victoria's Secret collab. Victoria's Secret, and my sandals are also Victoria's Secret. I feel like I look pretty cute. Like all the colors are kind of like matching and the colors are kind of just like combining in a positive way. My hair turned out decent. I don't really care much about it at the moment because either way I'm gonna get it wet at the water park. Yeah, I really like it. I like the shorts and the line and the design that it has. I think it's super cute. I'm also gonna be carrying everything in this bag. I also got it from Victoria's Secret, but the water park has lockers, but I don't want to pay for it, so I'm just gonna have all of my things here and I'm just gonna leave it in the car. And either way, we're not gonna get breakfast this morning, so I'm just gonna eat at home. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. This is my breakfast today. I'm having a baleada. It has eggs, butter, and beans inside of it, and it looks delicious. And then alongside it, I'm having my horchata from yesterday. Okay, so this is post water park because I didn't vlog most of the time while I was down the slides. I didn't get to vlog during most of the time while I was in the water because I just wanted to be more present in the moment. But hopefully in the future I can. But right now it's lunchtime and we're gonna go get pizza. Okay, so I'm just waiting on the pizza to be finished, but I'm just gonna wait here in the meantime. I think out of all of them, Lazy River was probably my favorite, and I can't really think of like one that I didn't really like, but I think the one with the mats was like probably my least favorite. But I think after we eat, I might change into a different bikini. It is so warm and sunny right now, and I still want to go on more slides. But I think I'm just gonna go on the wave one. I think by far my favorite was probably the wave one. So much fun. I can't wait to do it again. I'm just gonna go leave my stuff in the locker and then I'm gonna go back and do more swimming. Okay, I'm currently on my way to Lazy River and then I think that's just gonna be my last ride and then I'm gonna go.
Never mind, I changed my mind after I saw that the line was super long. Okay, we're leaving now. I'm gonna miss this place.
Okay, good morning everyone. It is the next day. It is currently 10:41. Originally I was gonna go downtown at like 9 a.m. but I'm just gonna go right now. It was so much fun at the water park. Again, I still wish I recorded more for like the memories, but you know, I'm thankful I was in the present, you know. I'm just gonna go downtown and just like explore, take some pictures for Instagram. I'm kind of nervous because, you know, like once again, I hope it doesn't get crowded over there. I get nervous in like big crowds, and like also I'm like, what if everyone's watching? And I'm like, in my head I'm like, no one's gonna remember this. I hope my lashes look really good because I want them to pop out for these pictures. I think the drink that I might get is either a coffee or a matcha. I just don't know. I've just never really had a matcha in general. I don't know, caffeine just like, it really boosts my metabolism. Unless I just get a lemonade or like a pink drink, that's not so bad. But yeah. Okay guys, this is the outfit. I'm wearing a white dress, and as you can tell, I am so serious about these Instagram pictures because I'm wearing heels. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss. Okay. And then to complement this outfit, I chose my Victoria's Secret purse. I just feel like it matches very well with the outfit. But other than that, we're gonna leave right now. Let's go! So good. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what type of books they have, and I think I might go home after that. The library whatsoever. There was no book that interested me, so I'm just gonna go for a walk in the park and hopefully take some Instagram pictures. I feel like I've kind of gotten a little more used to like taking pictures in public, but it's a process. I'm still with my smoothie and I'm going to the park right now. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures, hopefully it won't take too long, and then I'm gonna go get some food because I'm so hungry. Someone is playing beautiful piano right now. Like, it is so good. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It is beautiful. Hi guys, I finally got home and I also changed. Today was a really long day. I was gonna go to the pool, but it's closed. I think today was a pretty good day. I honestly wish I vlogged more while I was there, but I don't know, I didn't really like have any other ideas on like what else to vlog. And then now I have a pink lemonade Yay! I actually had a lot of fun while I went out, and I got a bunch of pictures that I'm gonna post on my Instagram. And then I think I'm gonna give you guys a bikini haul because I am going to the beach. I'm not gonna say when. I am so nervous to go to the beach because, again, vlogging in public kind of makes me nervous, and I've got like a bunch of TikToks planned out that I want to like make while I'm on the beach. I want to get my pictures at the beach, but without further ado, let's do a bikini haul. For my first bikini, I think this was the one that I might wear for when I go to the beach, but I love the red on it, and it's got like cherries and everything, and I love like the lining on the side. Then I have the most glamorous bikini of them all. It's a butterfly, and I love the shininess on this one. And I got this flower print. I think this one might be my favorite by far. I love the flowers on it and like the picnic print on the side. I think it's super adorable. And then I got this one. This one was basically Katie Fang inspired because I went on her social media. I saw her wearing like a similar print to this one, and I was like, I immediately want to buy it. And it has like the bows on the top, again like the lining on the side. I don't know, this one just seems perfect for the beach. I wore this one to the water park. It has like a cute little bow in the middle, and like I love the polka dots on it. And this one also has polka dots. I got this yellow one from the Frankie's Bikinis collection from the Laguna Beach one, and it also has a bow in the middle, and I love the polka dots. And I'm kind of like wondering, should I wear this one to the beach or should I wear the red one? But I think I might wear the red one. Get up, bestie, we're going out to the gym and we're making some muscles. Okay, I already finished one sandwich, so I am ready to go to the gym because I am well fed, and we're taking our water bottle with us, so let's go.
What the dog doing?
Ignore my messy hair, but now we're gonna do a taste test. It's actually really good. It tastes like banana, and it's very sweet.